Assalamu alaikum guys. How are you guys? How you doing? Hi, Malafi'an. Today I have a vlog for you guys. Vlogani wada maantay waxa iraacaysiin eventiga hiddosoor iyo Nimcan Hillac. So come with me, waa ka dhaantaynaya, dhabarka baan soo jijibinaya, lugaha waa qalqala. So guys, waxaan soconnaa St. Cloud, Minnesota, and waan kasoo dhaantaynaa eventa kaleenahay. I'm part of hiddosoor. So Abta's like, come, you have to do dhanto, we need you. And I was like, bet, let's go, let me make some money, you know. So that's where we're going. Meesha u socono waxa waaye school hadda cusub oo St. Cloud laga sameeyay, event ka sameynayna. I wish they did in the old schools because dad badan baa imaan lahay, but not a lot of people came. It was little people that came, but if you missed it, you know, you missed out. So one ka daantanay, one ka, you know. And also guys, I'm showing you guys my skin was peeling because waxaan marsaday, I think ilaan dhacsan, ilaanka allergic ma ka ihi, but I think ilaan dhacsan baan marsaday marka jirkii gacmaha baa ifiiqfiiqbay. That's why I need to sinay gacantas. But meeshii waa imaanay, schoolkana imaanay, school cusub St. Cloud ku taalo, event ka lehen. Marka ani hadal masku fiicinin, I don't even like to listen to my voice, it's cringy. But I'ma just let you guys watch and enjoy. Please like, subscribe if you like it. Also, if you didn't, still just like it. Support guys. Hali support kareyo, subscribe ka dac ka siiya, like ta dac ka siiya, comment your thoughts. Bashala de nawad ku daawada. Bye. Wait, actually guys, waxaan iga iloway videogan mar hore ayaan soo duubay. This was like 2022 mise 2020 bilawgis. I don't even know guys how I video ku raagay, gallery ku raaga. Maxaa la dhahaa, and so Fina's like, okay, are you going to post us? Are you going to edit us? I just forgot about it. Was ka iloobay bo videogan intaa haysta, but a video kala badan haysta oo ku raagay galleryga oo isoo fiino inaa hadda soo edit gareynoya. Kulli, I'm gonna post it hopefully in the future that you guys are watching, because right now 65 subscribers but less dog. It's so sad y'all, but if I keep posting, I have hopes that my family is gonna grow one. But then anyway, yeah, this video is like old video that I vlogged, but I was lazy and forgot to edit too. So now I'm gonna post it. Enjoy guys. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. High school? Hi.
Is Mohammed up there? Soor?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay.
I'm sorry, how are we doing this? So, just cut it there. Just person, just now. Oh. Wait, and then from the center? And then we'll just clap. Oh. I mean in the center. And we meet in the center. Oh. Okay, before the step, I'm gonna catch up.
What's up? I'm fine. Are you okay up here? Oh, that's fine.
No music?
Oh, it's fine. Wait,
That was around. No, we go in circle. And then we have a working there. Two different lines, right? Yeah. Two different lines.
I don't know how to do it though.
And then go for it. Go for it. You don't go
Okay guys, I feel like explaining. So Mahaladaha, this is like all girls. We're going to do like 2 entries where only girls, and this is the girls practicing. I unfortunately did not record while the boys were practicing, but in Mahalada wiilasha hal mar ayna soo galaayeen, inta kale waa gabdho, because Abti overbooked us. Yeah, I don't know. There was a whole situation on Haladaha, I don't know. But yeah, we were more girls than guys. So Haladaha Hasmenene. We have a section where all girls enter, and then another section where girls and boys enter, because we lisha when kuirayang gabdaha ku badnayang gabda badan ba la so bukre, but we little badan la bukren, and this is us practicing. And yeah, we were first confused how to do it because there's 2 different groups, one from like Minneapolis and one from St. Cloud. St. Cloud. Marka Mahalada, yeah, this is the practice. Enjoy watching us practice.
You guys want to be lame?
Yeah.
Who told you?
Zach, he didn't tell me they were performing at Tech. He didn't tell me who. He's like, I just want y'all.
Let's just leave it. Why are we even talking?
Okay, everybody.
Yes. I'm doing dance. Vlog I'm going kara.
Yes.
YouTube aku so gila.
Hadi fikirni.
DJ gear wakana.
Diyaar waaye.
Maxaa sameynaa saada? Adi ma DJ ga?
Fernand baa dirsaday noo hees.
Nimcan?
Maya nimca heesiisan diyaar ku kala.
Yaa.
Wiil cusub waaye.
Heesiis ma sameynaa saada? Xasna. Xagas. What's that?
The mixer.
Mixer?
Yeah, control like mixer. This control.
Laptop ko haysanaa.
Yeah.
Laptop. The laptop ku keenana ma gelinaysaa?
Lama meel la kaliya male.
So, maxaa sameynaa marka sida ku sanaa? Haysaha.
Lama si laptop ka soo qaad. Akan inaan ka suban karo.
Hay. Yeah, thank you. The time.
Abti. Waxa ku dheelaysiin mar. Waxa u diray kan.
Okay, so here's us practicing with the clothes that we're actually going to perform in the parties. And if you guys are wondering why some girls are wearing different color bati, is because yeah, the management not so great and they didn't bring enough, so they just brought back up one that looks totally different.
You play too much. It was an accident. Thank you. joogaan waa way ku keenay ayo dad loo dhaanteeyo ma wadaha xaggee joogaan dad ma joogo cabadse xagga daara loo dhigo dad ma joogo way imaan last minute ay imaanay magalaysan YouTube vlog أنا مرتد let me clean her ها أنا بنديد أنا بنديد How do you like it? What fish? No, what tuna? Tuna, what? Yeah? I don't know. مخاحيك so good. You want شح؟ شح وقت ما سوق.
يا سلام أدبي نسل بركي هوري وهرس لها ودها بالبوضي بيركي نقلصوها يا سلام أنت أنا هيسها بيرلولو وقري كلمتين السيو معلمين تا بروفيسورات دا أقسمها قودي هيدا فرصة
St. Cloud, Minnesota. We're so happy to have you here. So I want to motion to why Mecca.
أنا بالسلام يا عاوة شرف كويتر أنا اللي نشوفه طبعا سنة أولى يمكن بيصير هذا من هذا ورشاق وقفوا هنا خصوصا الضوء وبرضه حتى نخش استين السود ولا يكسو إلا بويدي واحد شيء يعني إنترنت كبر يعني إن شاء الله وصلنا للضرورة إن هذه كانت أنا برنامج في عمو دليل ونسيب ونتهي لك وادين سومالي جويتها كانوا السلامية طبعا معلومات أنا أخذ من شفتي أنا نوحنا سيدي رجعنا هذيك المعلومات طبعا واحد جوا بس الشيء واحد بس كذا
صعبة وتهي أن يقوم سيئين معنا عبد الرحمن حسن هلال سيسا صوي دورة لكن بركوري أرويرو فنندع عدك معان روضة بيرلولا أو لبه صودا عشيبة
يوتيوب محلها أنا كان عصب
وحالنا هاي أنا جاي بعود
actually من اسمه أنا كنت أتقنواي أنا تعبر
حاجات التلفون كسوق على نسبة
عصب yeah the upcoming rap
Oh, you put on a different thing. Good job. That was awesome. Yeah, you want to get it? Well, this is my friend Hakima.
وحالنا هاي عود
محلها
عود وحالنا هاي ماشي برتي ذا دقني عود وحالنا ماشي برتي ذا دقني فيلم نواكنا
هي
وكذا بتقني هسه
نوك عسال نوك عسال ها
في مساور كنا قلنا بس افتقينا
ماشي على الحصر معلش قناه هذا بيموف اوكي مقعد
أنا كنت واحد فليب على ده
فليب ايوه صابر
حرسي
يس فنانين الراب كنوصل بحي هلا ويا واتس يور انستا وات ايفر سوشيال ميديا
صابر حرسي
هيا
ماي تيك توك صابر حرسي ماي يوتيوب صابر حرسي او everything is صابر حرسي
صابر حرسي you see let's see the drip هيا 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 can you sample نسي
Okay, well, and it was nice. Well, I watched and it was kind of a little nervous because my first time stage. لكن هسه كلام صورة so
إن شاء الله.
it will be lit. صراحة كحالة ده كابتن فيليب على ده محل يجري تيك توك جيجا is 48. You can follow me anywhere.
إن شاء الله okay but بحاكو ده حوجا نسي sample like the song وامس قرينا the rap
وين waxa weeyaan because sample waxa weeyaan gabadh horta aan jeclaan jiray you know I love the girl but
ما أقعد
خطر بس ka dhigtay ma qaadi laakiin
okay قصدي ما نوغ شكينه
marka waxaan dhahay malada baby ha xujaysiin afar xasban keeni karaa hayga baqatiin walwaliyo walbahaar ban kaa fogaysiin inta tiri ragga gurka weynad badisiin dumarka baby jacaylsiisiin hayga maqalsiin warka nacabkana baby hay dhagaysiin jacaylkeena baby haba fahansiin hay bixayaysiin